Good day everyone, I am Michaela G. Lorente and I'm here to report the Region 12, the Sock Sergeant region. But first, let's watch the promotional video. Let's start about the introductions of Sock Sergeant. Sock Sergeant, formerly known as Central Mindanao, is an administrative region of the Philippines. Sock Sergeant is located in South Central Mindanao, and Sock Sergeant is an acronym that stands for the regions of 4 provinces: the Cotabato, South Cotabato, Sarangani, and Sultan Kudarat. And Sock Sergeant has 4 cities: the General Santos, Kidapawan, Coronadal, and Tacurong. Sock Sergeant is on a change of inactive volcanoes and low hills occupy the interior. Also, Sock Sergeant is the richest region in aquaculture products like fresh and processed high-value fish, crabs, and prawns. And also, Sock Sergeant is a tropical and exotic fruits like mangoes, marang, durian, calamansi, rambutan, and so on. Let's talk about the fast fact of Sock Sergeant. Sock Sergeant have 4 provinces: the South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, and General Santos City. South Cotabato, ang capital niya ay Coronadal City, and may land area siya na 442,246 square kilometers, Ang major industry sa South Cotabato ay agriculture, livestock, and trade. South Cotabato have 1 city and 10 towns and municipalities. Cotabato, ang kanyang capital ay Kidapawan City. May land area siya ng 900,890 square kilometer. Ang major industry sa kanya is rubber industry, agriculture, and textile industry. Cotabato have 1 cities and 7 towns and municipalities. Sultan Kudarat, his capital is Isolan. Land area of 529,834 square kilometer. Major industry is agriculture, poultry, fishing, woodcraft, and furniture. 1 cities and 11 towns and municipalities. Sarangani, his capital is Alabel. Land area of 360,125 square kilometer. Major industry of agriculture, fishing, mariculture, and livestock. Sarangani doesn't have cities and town and municipalities. General Santos City, land area of 53,606 square kilometer. Major industries of agriculture, fishing, and commerce. Also, Jensen doesn't have cities and towns and municipalities. Kita naman natin na mas malaki ang land area ng Cotabato and mas madaming major industry sa Sultan Kudarat. And ang may pinakamababang land area is ang General Santos Cities. Let's talk about the port access of Soc-Sargen. By air, you can use General Santos International Airport, the main gateway to the region from various international destinations, even domestic flights from Manila. And asahan natin, if air yung gamit, expensive talaga. Pero dito, mabilis yung travel and comfy yung pag-travel mo kasi nga sa airplane yung gagamitin mong access. If gusto mo naman ng mga magagandang views like sea, you can use the Makar Wharf in General Santos, the main gateway to the region by sea travel. Ferry trips is approximately 36 hours from Manila, stopped by Bacolod or Zamboanga before arriving at General Santos. Mahaba-haba yung biyahe kapag yung napili mong access by sea kasi medyo minsan mabagal lang yung takbo kasi nga yung inaano yung alon ng dagat. Pero dito may makikita ka din mga gandang views like sea, like yung mga fish and yung mga mountains na madadaanan. By land naman, merong transit to the region from flights arriving in Davao. Can be made by land through buses that fly Davao to Jensen. 3 hours of travel time in transit to Corona del City, 45 minutes of travel time. By land naman, pwede kang pick upin sa Davao Airport, then 43 hours ang travel time pa. Then yung mapa ng Sarangani. Let's proceed about the attractions and activities. If mahilig kayo sa historical, cultural, and mga heritage attractions, sa South Cotabato, meron kayong mapupuntahan Tiboli Museum, Tiboli Cultural Community, Surala Cultural Landmark, and Tinalak Weaving Center. Cotabato. Sa Cotabato naman, meron silang Mon Calista Community, Takumi Butay Memorial Shrine, Tomantaka Church, and Fort Piki. Cultural attractions sa Manila, pwedeng puntahan ang Mount Apo National Park, New Israel Eco Park, Kabakan Cave, Tausuban Falls, Asik-Asik Falls, Rio Grande de Mindanao, Kutang Batok Cave, Flortam Hot Spring. Ang build attractions na Grand Old City Hall, the Grand Mosque, and the People's Palace. Sultan Kudarat. Walang historical and cultural heritage attraction sa Sultan Kudarat, pero meron siya mga natural attractions like Balot Island, Lake Buluan, Limutan Falls, Calamansik, White Sand, and Beach. Yung Balot Island is also known as Malulong din. Balot Island is potentially active volcanic island south of the tip of Davao Occidental province. This island has a center of Balot volcano, the Fumarolic volcano with no historical eruptions. And yung build attractions niya is Sultan Kudarat Provincial Capital and Baras Birds Sanctuary. Sarangani. Ang historical and cultural heritage sa Sarangani na pwede nyo puntahan is Lamilefu Tribal Village Museum, Town of Maitong, Tampa Shrine, Century-Old Houses, Sagel Cave, and Ayub Cave. Meron din siya natural attractions like Whitewater River Tubing, Gomasa Beach, South Point Dive Spots, Nalus Falls, Band Sanctuary, Calon Barracks, Skyline. Okay, let's talk about the General Santos. Sa General Santos, pwede nyo puntahan about sa mga historical attractions nila. Yung Japanese abandoned World War bunker, the Plaza General Santos. Yung Japanese bunker sa Jensen is ginamit yun during World War II ng mga Japanese soldiers bilang defense structure nila. Then, meron din sila sa natural attractions na Amiscong Falls and Caladia Eco Park. Sa build attraction sa Manila is a Pacman's Wild Card kasi doon nakatira si Pacman sa Jensen, kaya meron silang Pacman's Wild Card. The Sarangani Highlands Garden, Jensen Fishport, Johnson Arcade, 50th Mountain Adventure Park. Ginawa naman nila yung Pacman's Wild Card dahil ginawa nila yon para sa honor nila kay Manny Pacquiao. The range of accommodations na pwede mong puntahan or pag-check-in sa Sarangani. Meron tayong budget less than 1,500 pesos per night sa South Cotabato. Ito yung mga Villa Princesita, MER Suites, Grand Western Liig, Green State Suites, Fortune Field Resort, and Dolores Farm Resort. Dito sa budget friendly na less than 1,500 per night. Dito, siguro, comfy na yung tutulugan mo, pero hindi kompleto yung amenities kasi nga budget friendly lang siya. Pero, if nagbabudget ka talaga ng pera, dito ka na lang sa 1,500. Then, meron din silang mid-range if malaki-laki yung pocket money mo, na pumapadang ng 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Yung La Pamela Suites, Paraiso Verde Resorts, Range naman nila, merong lap na 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Yung La Pamela Suites, Paraiso Verde Resort, Dolores Lake Resorts, and Mountain Lake Eco Resort, FBFN. Meron din naman silang high-end na at least 3,000 per night, The Farm and at Carpenter Hill. Dito sa high-end, siguradong comfy na talaga yung tutuluyan mo, complete amenities, and magandang view. Ito naman, meron din silang less than 1,500 per night yung Grand Rio Hotel, Hotel Filipino, Diamond Hotel, Pacific Heights Hotel, City Plaza Hotel, El Manuel Hotel, and Azaleas Pension House. Sa mid-range naman, yung Evas Hotel, Estosan, a Garden Hotel, walang high-end hotel sa Cotabato. Sultan Kudarat naman, meron siyang budget hotel na sa E&R Hotel, Engine Pension House, Cedra Suites, Gardens Arpenter, Woodland Tourist Inn, Lilliputian Garden Hotel, and Belgian Star Hotel. Naman, meron siyang Belmar Eco Park and Beach Resort, Lemlunay Resort, Davao Ridge Beach Resort, and Island Jardin Del Mar. Sa main ridge naman nila, yung White Haven Beach Resort, Yoshikawa Crystal Island Resort, Rosal Beach Resort, and Brother Louis White Sand. Meron silang budget hotel na Family Country Hotel, Columbus Plaza Hotel, Encore Hotel, Ika Castle Experience Hotel, Alchan Suites, and Flor Hotel. Sa mid-range naman nila, merong Sarangani Highland Hotel, East Asia Royal Hotel, Microtel by Windham General Santos, Hotel San Marco, Pella Grande Hotel, Sierra Montana Hotel, and Sydney Hotel. Sa high-end naman nila, yung Greenleaf Hotel. Let's talk about the food and delicacies provinces. Sa South Cotabato, meron silang balbakwa, kinilaw, laswa, tilapia cuisines, native chicken adobo, native kohol, tiboli coffee, batchoy, agihis, and sinigang sa pakwan. Sa Cotabato naman, meron silang dragon fruit, pastil, tinagtag, apa, baye-baye, native chicken barbecue, and deep fried dalag. Sa Sultan Kudarat naman, meron silang fried catfish, marang, pastil ulit, durian, kansi, fresh lumpia, palabo, native chicken bulalo, grilled native chicken, bibingkang kanin, and coco playa. Sa Sarangani naman, meron din silang tinagtag, tuna pork, rice coffee, nelot onok, bangsi, tuna crispy, chicharon, and spicy beef sinina. Sa General Santos naman, meron silang grilled tuna, tuna tacos, chicken skin, lechon, tuna steak, bagaybay. Yung bagaybay yung sinasabi, lalaking tuna siya na reproductive sex. Yung ginagawa sa bagaybay is, lalaking tuna. Yung bihod naman, siya, itlog ng female tuna. Then, spicy adobong bihod, yung adobong itlog ng tuna na babae. Yung lato salad naman is, siya, seaweed siya na ginagawang salad. Then, yung salmon, sashimi, and sardines. Let's talk about the recommended pasalubong sa pwede nyong ipasalubong sa mga families niyo or friends kapag galing kayong Sock Sergeant. Meron silang organic fruit products like passion fruit, durian, pineapple, guyabano, mangosteen, etc. Meron din silang Kablon farm products, may pastil, tinagtag, bukayo din if mahilig kayo sa mga matatamis, seafood products like crab, fish, and etc. The tinalak fabric if mahilig kayo sa mga fabric, pwede nyo gamitin yun. The Tiboli beadworks, kalakat, malong, dried items like hat, scarves, household utensils. Then meron din silang water hayak kitchen handicrafts like keychain, bags, native decorations, etc. Meron din silang gelatin bar and antiques. Festivals and special events. So, sa South Cotabato, meron silang Hilobong Festival na ginaganap tuwing November 9 to 11. Sinicelebrate nila yon bilang honor sa foundation anniversary ng municipality ng Lake Cebu, na pinapakita nila doon yung mga uniqueness ng cultural nila at saka mga identity nito. Meron din silang Linggong Matuto na sineselebrate tuwing March 13 to 20. Sineselebrate nila to dahil sa Mount Matutom nila. Celebration of Mount Matutom's declaration as a protected landscape. Meron din silang Kasadyahan Festival na ginaganap tuwing September 1 to 11. Meron silang street dancing competition na inaalay nila sa mga various ethnic and cultural dances. Meron din Tinalak Festival tuwing July 16 para naman sa Pride of South Cotabato, the art of weaving tinalak, para yun sa paggunita sa mga magagaling na mananahe ng tinalak sa South Cotabato. Meron ding lastly yung Kulitangtang Festival tuwing January 27. Isa itong mga clay pots and ceramic maids galing sa mga artisan and craftsmen of Tantangan. Sa Cotabato naman, Araw ng Cotabato tuwing June 12 to 25. Para naman isa tong city's charter's anniversary. Meron din silang Halad sa Santo Niño Festival tuwing third Sunday of January in honor of the town's patron, Senior Santo Niño. Meron din Timpupo Festival tuwing August. Then, pinifeature nila dito yung mga cultural shows, parade of local fruit products, exhibits, and street dancing. Dito sa Timpupo Festival, more on prutas dito, yung mga parade ng mga pagandahan ng mga prutas, ganun. Sa Tahiti Festival tuwing August 13, dito naman, celebrate nila ito para alay sa mga local products made from Tahiti, like soft goods and various handicrafts. Kawayan Festival naman tuwing first week of December. Para naman to sa mga Lekbon Kawayan, bamboo exhibits and cultural shows and various sports events. Sa Sultan Kudarat naman, yung Kalimutan Festival tuwing November 21, 2022, sineselebrate nila yun dahil sa unity, diversity ng Manobos, Terurais, and Tibolis of Sultan Kudarat. Talakudong Festival tuwing September 18 para naman to sa mga traditional hand covering worn ng mga early settlers of Sultan Kudarat. Hina-highlight din sa festival na to yung street dancing competition and the reenactments of the Giving the Golden Kudong by Christian settlers. The Sultan of Buluan for Peace and Prosperity. Ani naman, yung Munato Festival tuwing November 18, Thanksgiving Festival siya sa foundation ng province. Then sa Sarangani Bay Festival tuwing third week of May, pinapromote nila dito yung Sarangani Bay, mga various activities like beach sports events, water sports, and mangrove planting, and coastal cleanups. Lastly, the Bangsi Festival tuwing January 27 to 29. It showcased the one town product of Maitom, the Bangsi or flying fish. Ginagawa nila yung Bangsi Festival para i-honor yung flying fish na sa Maitom. Diyan sa naman, the Kalilangan Festival tuwing February 22 to 27. A founding anniversary by showcasing its dynamic culture and heritage. Jensen Eco Carrera tuwing September. Ito naman to, race competition na pinopromote yung ecotourism destination in the city. Then lastly, Tuna Festival tuwing September 1 to 5. Showcase their world famous product tuna. Pinapakita lang dito sa Tuna Festival kung gano'n sila ka-rich sa tuna product. Major cultural groups naman na meron sa Sarangani is yung Bilaan, Tibuli, Teduray, Manoba, and Maguindanao. Yung ibang group sa Sarangani is na-discuss na ng previous chapter pa. Then yung Bilaan tribe is located siya sa Davao del Sur na ngayon ay nag-widespread sila kaya meron na din sa South Cotabato and Sultan Kudarat. And major culture ng mga Bilaan is tribe cultivation of food plants like rice, corn, sugar cane, banana, and root crops. Itong groups na to is nag-organize sila ng mga local datu like autonomous authority over an area where he was personal influence. Sa major industries naman na meron sa region, ang major industries nila is agriculture and tuna fishing. Sa Sorsogon kasi is mayaman sila sa mga agriculture, like pagtatanim ng mga palay, mga mais, mga tubo, and tuna fishing kasi mayaman kasi ang General Santos is a tuna capital of the Philippines. Mayaman sila sa mga tuna, kaya ang tanging major industries nila is tuna fishing. Then sa agricultural product nila is yung mga coconut, cassava, mga kape, and mga tubo. Language and dialects naman na matatagpuan sa Sarangani is Tibuli, Bilaan, Cotabato, Manobo, Tagbanwa, Hiligaynon, Maguindanao, Tagalog, and English. Kalimitang mga ginagamit na dialect and language sa Sarangani. That's all my report. I hope you understand. Thank you.